What's the meaning of bona fide? Bona fide. Bona fide.
Bona fide. Bona fide. Bona fide is a Latin term that means in good faith or genuine. In legal contexts, it is often used to refer to someone who has acted honestly and without any intent to deceive or defraud another party. It implies that the person has made a sincere effort to meet their obligations and fulfill their promises. In practical terms, being bona fide means that one can be trusted to act fairly and honestly, and that their actions are motivated by genuine intentions rather than ulterior motives. Overall, being bona fide is viewed as a desirable quality in both personal and professional contexts, as it fosters trust and credibility.